Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another wig review. I'm doing a voiceover because honestly I was in a slow hurry recording this video, so I left out a lot of details. I got this wig from ebonyline.com. It's FREETRESS equal in the style Letty. It was $22. It's two combs by the side part and there's a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Honey, I had to alter this wig because that part was not giving me life. So check this video out and stay tuned. Peace. Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another wig review. Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another wig review. This time I'm doing a wig from, and I lost the tag you guys, so I only have this little tag. So we're doing a wig from FREETRESS equal, invisible L part, shake and go, in the style Letty, and I got it in a color number 2. So I like it so far. But anyway, it does have two combs on the side where the part is, and it has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Girl, like, I'm really feeling these waves. Like, these waves is giving me so much life and body. I don't remember the cost, but I am going to put the link below. It wasn't too expensive. And I got these little hairpins from, you know it, my local beauty supply store. I got these little sparkle purple looking earrings from, is it eBay? Yes, I got these from eBay. And I also got the glitter makeup. I also got those from Amazon. Yeah, I'm just really liking this wig. I had to pluck the part a bit though, because the part was really skinny, and I had to like make the part look more natural. And I tried to wear it like it's normal setting, but I didn't like it. So I did use a paddle brush. I just used this type of brush, and I just brushed out the curls. It's giving me like more body. I like a lot of body when it comes to my wigs and my hair. I love body. This is so cute. I really like this. I was gonna give this wig to my friend, but I don't know if she gonna get it now. Yeah, this is the quick review. Thank you guys for watching. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_Mochaccino. I'm gonna put the tag right here below. Also, if you haven't yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell right here. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds. Click it. Click. Come on, girl. Click it. Thank you. I really appreciate that. No, but seriously, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Also, if you can, subscribe to me, my best friend's podcast, The Pussy Chronicles. It's on all streaming platforms. The Pussy Chronicles. I'm gonna put that tag, I guess, right there. Yeah, The Pussy Chronicles with 3 S's. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys share my video, like my video. Make sure you also share my videos on Instagram, like my post, comment, share, do all that good stuff. Again, thanks for watching and bye.